What's going on, guys? Kevin here with Spang's World. We're working on installing this cage and getting everything mounted up for a customer. They just bought this cage from us. Not too sure what we should name it yet, but pretty nice cage though. Yeah, let's check it out. We're in the middle of the install still. We got the roof to do. We're going to mount up the rest of his accessories that we can before he gets here. We weren't planning on doing that, but we're trying to help him out as much as possible. A little bit of time, so let's get it. Got tabs in the back here for a 10-inch light bar. We got the 30-inch light bar up front. He's got his pod speakers that'll go in. They'll mount in right here on the edge. Get it set up. But here, let me finish this up, then we'll take it outside and get some better video of it and stuff and photos. Let's get to it. Alright guys, now it's time to lay the aluminum roof on there. We got our foam down, so keep the vibration down. Alright guys, now that we got the roof mounted on, we can mount the speaker pods on there and get the rest of the stuff all wired in there. Looking good. It's black on baby blue, looks pretty good. Got the Rockville speaker pods that we're about to put in here. We got the little cutouts in the roof so they can mount on this back bar, so we can also still lift up the lid for the most part. Alright guys, we got the Super ATV windshield mounted up and the speakers. Now we're going to pull it outside and get some better shots of it versus being in this nasty shot. Alright, let's go. Yeah, we got the cage perfect for the rigid toolbox back here with the speaker pods. Flip these up. You can still easily access your tools. Or if you put a cooler back there about the same size and stuff, you'll be good to go. We got the cage done. Super ATV windshield fits on here. We got the Rockville speakers mounted up on here and stuff. The Super ATV windshield fits, or flip up windshield works good on here. Fits up great. Gets up there, mounts up, comes down. But super happy with the build and stuff, and the customer likes it so far from the pictures he's seen. He'll see it later. But yeah, let's check it out. Alright guys, that's the end of this one. Like this video, it helps us out a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you're not already. Comment down below on how you like this cage. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.